everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some super easy gift card packaging ideas that I think you're really going to enjoy. So if you want to know how to make them, stick around. I'll show you how. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate it. You okay, Maxwell? You're a good boy. Okay, for this one, I'm going to use a terrarium that I got at Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to take a piece of cardboard that measures about 2 3/4 inches by about 1.5 inches. And then I'm going to score it so it'll hold my card. I'm going to score it at 1 1/4, 1.5, 2 1/4, and then 1/2. And then just kind of fold it up like that. That's how it's going to stand up in the bottom of the terrarium to hold the gift card, like that. I'm going to glue it into the bottom. That's how it's going to hold the card up. It's going to hook to that. So just put hot glue on both sides and glue it down to the base. Put it right in the center. And then I'm going to add some little Christmas trees that I got. I'm adding 3 of these just to cover that completely up. And you can get these Christmas trees just about anywhere. And then I'm going to add a little bit of double-sided tape to this to hold it to the little stand that I made. And then I'm going to add a tree right in front just to kind of balance all this out. Then I'm going to add several scoops of the little fake snow to the top part of the lid here. Just enough to cover up the base and cover up the cardboard that you can see. And then just turn it upside down and then turn it over and then kind of shake it on down. And then I'm going to tape the 2 sides just to hold this all together. It up, I'm going to add a green ribbon. I'm going to glue the center part right to the back of my container, and then I'm going to plumb around to the front and then just tie a nice bow. Put a little bit of glue behind the bow as well. That way it won't slip off. Next, I'm going to add a gift tag, and I've given you these in the description below. You can just download them and print them. And I'm just going to add some baker's twine to it, and I'm going to tie it right onto the front. This was a quick and easy project. If you're going to give gift cards, dress them up a little bit. It's not that hard. These go pretty quick. All right, look how cute that is. Okay, for this one, I'm using a 5x7 picture frame. I got this at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to completely take this apart. Using the backing as a pattern, I'm just going to take some scrapbook paper, and I'm going to cut it out to the same size. Attach my gift card. I'm just going to use some score tape. It's just a double-sided tape, and I'm just going to tape it along the back. And this peels off real easily. They can get this back off. And I'm going to center it into the center of my little piece of scrapbook paper, right in the center. Just put your frame back together. And you could decorate your paper up a little bit more on the inside if you want to, but I'm going to put my embellishments on the outside of my frame. Okay, next I'm going to add a couple of gingerbread ornaments that I have, and I'm going to cut the top loop off on the very top. And I got these on Amazon. I'll give you the link for these. You get a lot of them in a pack. And I'm just going to glue them right to my frame. On the glass, I'm just taking a fine point marker and I'm just going to write Merry Christmas on it. And you could do this in any color ink that you want to, and you could write more if you want to. Just kind of dress it up a little bit. Okay, next to kind of dress it up a little bit, I'm just putting it down into a cellophane bag. And then I'm going to tie a ribbon around the bag. And I'm just going to pull it to the back and just tape that down. And then I'm just going to take a satin ribbon, tie it around the middle, and then just tie that off in a bow. Then I'm going to add a tag, and again, I've given you these in the description below. All you got to do is download them and cut them out. I'm just going to add my tag to the center of the bow, just using some baker's twine. This one was real quick. This is a super easy one. If you want one that goes fast, this one does. Okay, for this next one, I got 2 of the candy canes, the M&M candy canes, and I'm going to remove all the labels. I'm going to attach the 2 together facing opposite. And I'm just using some regular score tape. It's just a double-sided tape. And that's how I'm attaching it. That way they can take it apart later if they want to. And then I'm just going to push the 2 together and let those glue together. I'm just making a little reindeer face. This is a quick and easy one too. I'm going to attach a couple of 1-inch eyes using that same score tape. And I got those at Michael's. And I'm pretty sure that Hobby Lobby has those too. And then to attach my gift card, I'm just going to use some more of that double-sided tape and tape it right to the front. And then for his nose, I'm just going to add a little pom-pom with that same tape. And that was pretty easy. And to keep it all intact, I'm just putting it into a 7 by 13-inch bag, cellophane bag. And then I'm just going to tape it in the back. And then I'm going to tie a ribbon around the front part to dress it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to add a tag. All of these are super budget friendly and they don't take that long to do, but they really do dress up your package. Look how cute that is. Okay, this one's the simplest of all. You're going to take a 4x6 magnetic frame, just put your card inside of it and then close it up. You get these in a 3-pack from Amazon. I'll give you the link for these. And then to hold all this together, I'm just going to put it into a gift bag and I'm going to tie off the top with a rubber band and I'm going to put a ribbon and a tag on it. You can't get any simpler than this. And then they can use the frame later for something else. And I'm just using clear rubber bands. I'll give you the link for those. And then I'm just going to tie a ribbon around the front part. This just dresses it up a little bit instead of just handing them a little gift card. And then you can add a tag. And again, I've given you these in the description below. You just download them and print them and cut them out. All right, look how simple that was. This next one is super simple. You're just going to grab a large balloon and then get somebody to help you on this. My lovely assistant, my husband, is going to put the gift tag down into the balloon. And then I'm going to add some little confetti type stuff. You can put little confetti or big confetti. I just didn't want to make a mess at my sister-in-law's house, so I kind of used bigger confetti. And you're just going to push it right down in there in the balloon with the gift tag, and then you're going to blow your balloon up. And this really wasn't that hard to get it down in there. Just have to kind of wiggle it in there. It just takes a little bit of time because it is kind of tight. And then you're going to blow your balloon up. And then that one's not really round, very round, but it fit into the box. And then just tie it off. Next, you're going to grab a piece of cardstock, just fold it over, and then put some double-sided tape inside of it. And then we're going to attach a string inside of this and just fold it over. This is going to be our little tag. And then we're going to tie the other end of it to the balloon. And then you're just going to write "Pop Me" onto your tag and then just put it in a box. This was super fun. They'll have a lot of fun doing this. And you can fill it with as much confetti as you want to. Next one's super simple too. I'm just taking the gift bag and I'm going to put a little small mug down the bottom. I got those at Hobby Lobby, and then I'm going to tape my corners in to kind of clean it up a little bit. Then I'm just going to put my Christmas tree right down inside of the little mug, and I'm going to put my card down into the back. and then just tie off the top with a rubber band and then tie a ribbon around it. This one was pretty simple. Just adding some extra touches to these gift cards really make them a little bit more special. You don't have to have something that's lavish. Just kind of just dress it up a little bit. You know, think outside the box. There are a lot of different ways that you could do this. But these all are pretty simple. And then I'm just going to add a tag to this to dress it up. And if you have special ways that you decorate up your gift cards, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Leave me a comment and let me know how you do yours. But look how easy and cute that is. Hey, all of these were super simple to do. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope it gave you some inspiration to get out there and decorate your gift cards. If you like this kind of video, be sure and give me a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if nobody's told you today, you're awesome. See you next time. Thanks for watching.